Now, speaking of the desktop models, apparently Apple is working on 2 new Mac Pro desktops. And what's interesting is they're going to do one to just replace what's currently out there. In fact, the rumor on that one is that it's still going to carry Intel inside, which is kind of weird and interesting. Maybe for the Pro customer, there's too many compatibility gaps right now. I don't know. I'm not sure.
The deal with Intel is still there.
Some deal with Intel is still. I don't know why that's the report, but I presume they just want to keep something Intel in the lineup for some reason for a little bit longer. So yeah, so the rumor is the big boy will still have some Intel inside, and then they'll do another version of the Mac Pro, which will be tiny, a little cube inspired by that old G4 cube. And that's what's going to have the M stuff in it. And that's what's going to be the next generation for them of Pro computers. Apple is testing chips with as many as 32 performance cores for its desktop computers and 16 to 32 core graphics options. Then the highest end machines could be 64 and 128 core GPUs, which would be several times faster than graphics options that Apple currently uses from AMD. So there is no timeline on this. Apple Silicon, the Apple Silicon Mac Pro was planned to launch by 2022, so this could still be a little ways off. But yeah, if you're holding out, I mean, I don't know, maybe it's worthwhile to delay a little bit. These things are expensive, some of these workstations, and all the excitement is around Apple's own silicon. It would be tough to really put down on a Mac Pro right now for those type of funds when you're curious, sitting around and waiting. And you might be actually more interested in one of those MacBook Pros right now, depending on your workflow and what you do. For us, we've recognized the advantages of the M1 chip in the form of even the 13-inch MacBook Pro.
Yeah, even the Mac Mini.
Even the Mac Mini.
Yeah. There's that.
So there's some options there, but you don't worry. The Pro models are on their way.